I met Norman within the first week of being there, just as more or less a handshake, welcome aboard, and it went from there. And I really went straight into working. I was in the deep end on Willis Faber Dumas. So that was the first time that I met Norman. Yeah. The mock-ups were quite unique, and we eventually spoke to a particular manufacturer who was able to produce a mock-up of the trough lighting, and which consequently brought us to placing orders through the specification documents. But the mock-up for the perimeter facade lighting was quite interesting, in that we weren't too sure about how to or get the best option of lighting, because of the glass facade. You can't light a building onto glass because light scatters on glass. It has to be done internally, and we got the majority of the team together one evening, and Norman came, and we were on one of the roundabout, a roadway roundabout, and we got the electricians inside by telephone. We used to tell them where we wanted these lights placed, and we moved them into different locations, and eventually Norman said, "That's what I like," and that's how we did it. On the Sainsbury centre, these are the designs of the lighting, and they're hanging from the catwalks. The catwalk idea for the lighting was so good because it allowed such a lot of flexibility, and especially for special exhibitions, which were maybe held every 4 to 6 months, you could set up the lighting very easily from the catwalk. You just literally lean over. There was a temporary structure which was located on the site to enable the staff of SAPA to continue with all of their work. That decision was made, the colour coding for the different services that went into the main part of the building where they produce the aluminium. They were extrusions, and the extrusion went through what was called a billet. It was heated up, and it came out, and just it formed the shape of all types of aluminium extrusion used in double glazing or doors or whatever. What went in Foster's and what was said did take place, so it was quite unique, I think, and we did really think that we were up there with the very, very top of our profession, really.